In today's episode of Fuel Up, I pit stop in Courtenay BC for food and friends. It's time to fuel up. Let's eat. To get to Courtenay, I ride the 19A highway from Nanaimo. It's a little more scenic and easygoing and not nearly as busy as the number 19. Once I arrive, I take a little beach break from the bike. And then I head off to Bigfoot Donuts for some of the best donuts in Courtenay.
Well, sweat for donuts, that's the only reason that I sweat, is for donuts. So here in Courtenay, we're in Sasquatch country, and you can see all of these little white dots are supposedly Sasquatch sightings. Right around here, this is where we're located right now. Sasquatch is real, guys. The time has come to try Bigfoot Donuts. You know I love me a donut. I was really pumped to see that they make a homemade cruller. Crullers are my favorite donuts. Oh man, holy shit, this is so good. Wow. I've never had a cruller like this. So first of all, I was like, yep, that's a cruller. And then, I don't know, there's like this flavor on my tongue that's just really good. I can't describe it, but it's really good. The thing about crullers is they go down too fast. That's right. Sometimes you just gotta open your mouth wide and just stick it all in, you know?
Hungry for more, I head to the White Whale with super cool buds, Kaylee and Lee. I go for the smoked Salish salmon, microgreens, blueberries, and cream cheese on fresh-baked bannock.
So everything is sourced locally within 100 kilometers. This is probably one of the most beautiful meals I've eaten on this trip so far. Right now, this bannock is warm in my hands. Like, I get a huge hard-on for fresh-baked goods. These greens actually have a vinaigrette on it. So now I'm getting like a whole new dynamic of smoky, soft, tender, and then like a slight bit of bite. So good, guys. There's a salad here. Yeah, who fucking cares? I'm sitting out here. The water is right there. People can actually paddleboard up to this restaurant, eat, drink whatever they want, and then paddleboard wherever they want to go. They especially made me the house-made raspberry kombucha. So they put like the mother in there, and then they added sugar and broke down the components of the raspberries so that just the juice came out, and they put that in here. My real good friend, Kaylee, is sitting here, and she shared one of her smoked chicken wings with me. So look at that. Man, that smells smoky. I have never had a smoked chicken wing before. It's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and you have this wonderful smokiness to it. Like, that's all you need. You don't have to smother it with any sauce. Really good. Oh man, I need to order more of those. I have something in my teeth. Thanks for the ride, White Whale.
And that's a wrap on another delicious episode. I've been your host, Moniquea Marion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.